Hey everyone, this is GarageWorks. On this episode, we're going to tackle, I have no clue, because I got some buddies coming over and I'm going to let them tackle things with me and we'll see what we get done. So let's get into it. Well, the guys are gone, and so is my beer. Coincidence? I think not. But I did put them to work, and the front end is done. So let's go take a look, and I'll show you what we found. So I guess we'll go from top to bottom. This is what she looked like underneath all the body panels. Not too bad, no through hole rust, just surface. You can see right there, I just did a quick grind. I just wanted to see what the metal looked like. Looked pretty good. So all the way down we're good. No holes through any of this as well. All along here she is beautiful. Well, not beautiful, but better than holes everywhere. So the main issues, we ran into a couple broken bolts. As well as down below here, I'm going to get the light and I'll show you where some work will need to be done. So on both sides, rocker panels right up where the bolts meet the fender, all in here is done. When I went to take the front bolt off, the metal just came with it, so the bolt's actually still in the fender. So all this will have to be looked at. Course, cut out and repaired if possible. Going further up, you can see right around there we got some rust going on. This fender, of course, right there, you can see she's pretty nasty. My fear is that further down here she's gonna rust, kind of like how that is right there, all on the front. She is pretty gnarly, so I'm not quite sure We'll see what I need. Possibly, of course, new metal for the fender, but I'm just wondering about the actual frame rail in there. If I'm going to have to replace it or not. I think Zed Finding makes engine bay frame rails, so I may need them. If it's just a small spot here or there, then I'll take care of it with just some 12 gauge and cut it up and patch it in if I can get away with that. But you know, I want to do it right. So same thing on this side. I'm going to drop the camera down so you can see. Okay. So this side, you can see she's in even worse shape. This whole section down below is going to need to be redone. I might actually get the whole rocker for this side. It looks like it could use it. Looking right here, and I see some tack welds. I'm wondering if this piece was done before and just ended up rusting through. Spin the camera. In here, similar issues down below the frame. You can see right there, it's all blistering rust. So I'm really worried about how the frame is going to be in that area. I don't think I'll have any issues further up. You can see I knocked a bit of the undercoating off there. I just wanted to get at it and see what was under there. Similar rust issues all up in there. There's the firewall. Some rust down in there. Everywhere else though up here, it's all just surface. We're still pretty good. So happy about that. Could have been a lot worse up top, but she is not. She's coming apart. Now my only problem is parts. Parts, 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 parts. Parts everywhere. I think I need to build some shelving up on the ceiling so I can slide everything up and get some room back in my garage, because when the engine comes out I'm going to need a place for that as well. Trying to think if there's anything else. Nope, that's pretty much it. Not too bad, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah!